Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. Today, I'll show you the very latest method to install ESign and Feather Signer on your iPhone or iPad, complete with an ad blocker DNS to keep everything running smoothly. But that's not all. You'll also learn how to install IPA files without APC and without jailbreak. Let's get started. Open Safari and then open this website, and then hit on Downloads. Then hit on Config Profiles. Now hit on the last DNS Ad Blocker Profile link, and then hit Allow to download the DNS profile. Now open Settings, and then hit on the downloaded profile, and then hit Install and Install again to install the DNS profile. Now open the same website again, and this time hit on Portal. Then hit on any one of the link to download WSF Portal in your iOS device. I will use the first portal with continent name. Then simply hit Install to install WSF Portal in your iOS device. Once the WSF Portal is installed in your iOS device, now simply open Settings again, and then open General, then open VPN and Device Management. Then simply open the Enterprise app, and then hit Trust to let WSF app work in your iOS device. If you are on iOS 18, you need to hit Allow and Restart option to let the app work. Now you will see the WSF Portal app will start working. Now hit on the Downloads, and then scroll down. You will see ESign, Feather Signer, Scarlet, and Gbox links there. I will install ESign and Feather in this video. First, let's install ESign. Simply hit one of the link in ESign. I will again use the same continent link, then hit Install to install ESign app in your iOS device. As you can see on my first attempt, the ESign app is installed and working. Now let me install Feather Signer as well. Then I will show you how to install IPA files via ESign and via Feather Signer. Now open the WSF Portal app again, and then hit on the one of the Feather Signer link. I will use again the continent link again, and then hit Install to install Feather Signer in your iOS device. Now you can see the Feather Signer app is also installed and working fine without any problem. Now let me show you how to install IPA files via ESign and Feather Signer. Open the WSF Portal app again, and then scroll down, and then hit on the certificate link, and then hit Download to download the certificate zip file. Now open your Files folder, and then open your Downloads. Then simply hit on the certificate zip folder, then you will have the New Certificates folder with all the link certificates. Now open the same name link folder you installed ESign and Feather Signer. There you will get 3 files. One file has the password. Simply copy the password. Now open the ESign app and then hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit Import. Now select the first P12 certificate file from the same name link certificate folder. Then hit on 3 dots again, and then hit Import again, and this time select mobile provision file from the same name link folder. Now simply hit first on mobile provision file, and then hit Import. And then hit on P12 certificate file, and then hit on Import Certificate Management, and then paste the password, and then hit OK. Now you are good to install IPA files via ESign app. Let me add the certificate first in Feather Signer as well, then I will show you how to install IPA files. Simple, open the Feather Signer app, and then hit on Add Certificate, and then hit on +sign, and then hit on Import Provision File and the P12 certificate file, and then select the both files from the same name link certificate folder. Then simply paste the password and then hit Save to save your certificate in Feather Signer app. Now our ESign app and Feather Signer app is ready to install IPA files in your iOS device. Simply download the IPA files you want to install. Now first let's try ESign app. Open the ESign app first. Then hit on 3 dots, then hit Import, and then select your IPA file you want to install. Then simply hit Import. Once the IPA file is imported, now simply hit on Apps, and then hit on your IPA file, and then hit Signature, and then Signature again. Now hit Install, and then Install again to install your IPA file in your iOS device. You can see the IPA file is installed and working fine without any problem. Now let me show you how to install IPA files via Feather Signer app in your iPhone and iPad. Open the Feather Signer app and then hit on Import, and then select the IPA file you want to install.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how
Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on your imported IPA file and then hit on Sign IPA. Then hit on Start Signing. Once your IPA file is signed, now simply hit on your signed IPA file and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iOS device. And that's it. You now know how to install ESign, Feather Signer, and IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a PC or jailbreak. Plus, with Blocker Ad Blocker DNS, you're all set for a smooth, ad-free experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.